Good morning students. Welcome to Maths class. Today we are going to see about some of the exercise sum in 2.3. Before entering into the session, let us recall some of the questions we have learnt in the previous class. Shall we start? Yes. The first question is, what is the algebraic statement of x is increased by 21? X is increased by 21. What do you mean by increased, or what symbol we have to use for increased? Increased means addition symbol, isn't it? So x is increased by 21. So add symbol, something we are adding. So the answer will be x plus 21. The next question, what is the verbal statement of 10 divided m? So 10, so here you can write as it is, isn't it? So 10 divided by m. Third question, what is the value of k if k plus 5 equal to 12? So here k we need k equal to 12 we are writing, and this plus 5 goes to other side, it becomes what? Minus 5, isn't it? So plus 5 when it goes to the next side, that becomes what? Minus 5. So k equal to 12 minus 5 is what, ma? 7. The answer is 7. Next question, fourth question. What is the value of n plus 15 if n equal to 3? That is, n plus 15 equal to, given n equal to what? 3. For n we have to substitute 3. Therefore, 3 plus 15, that is equal to 3 plus 15 equal to what? 18. Therefore, n plus 15 equal to what? 18. Here, exercise 2.3, the first question I have given homework and you did. The second question we are doing now. A piece of wire is 12 centimeter long. What will be the length of the side if it is formed as an equilateral triangle? Second question, a square. A piece of wire is 12 centimeter long. So here we have drawn a diagram. A piece of wire is, the length is 12 centimeter. Now what will be the length of the side if it is formed as an equilateral triangle? With this wire we are going to make an equilateral triangle. What do you mean by an equilateral triangle? If all the three sides are equal, it is called an equilateral triangle. Next you see a square. Square has how many sides? 4 sides, isn't it? So 4 sides, and all the 4 sides will be equal, isn't it? So next we are going to see the solution. First we have written the length of the wire is 12 centimeter. Now length of the side of an equilateral triangle, length of the side of an equilateral triangle equal to the 12 centimeter, and an equilateral triangle has 3 sides, so we are dividing it by 3. Now 12 centimeter divided by 3 equal to what? So when we are dividing 12, here 3. So 4 3s are what? We will be getting 12. Therefore the answer is what? 4 centimeter. Otherwise you can strike 1 3 is 3, 4 3s are 12 centimeter. Therefore the length of the side of an equilateral triangle is 4 centimeter. So one side it will be 4 centimeter, other side 4, and the third side also 4 centimeter. Next we are going to see the length of the side of the square. Length of the side of a square. A square has 4 sides and all the 4 sides will be equal. That is 12 centimeter divided by 4. Now you see 12 divided by 4. What we can write? 1 4 is 4 and here 3 4s are 12. Therefore, the answer is what? 3 centimeter. So, length of the side of the square equal to what? 3 centimeter. So, all the four sides will be 3 3 3 3 centimeter. The next question is challenging problems. Gopal is 8 years younger to Karnan. If the sum of their ages, what is given here? Sum means we have to add, isn't it? Sum. And Gopal is 8 years younger. 8 years younger to Karnan. If the sum of their ages is 30, how old is Karnan? Now, the solution, let Karnan's age be x years. We don't know Karnan's age, so we have taken what? X. So the age is x, Gopal age is. So what is the question given? Gopal is 8 years younger, isn't it? 8 years younger. So for younger, what symbol we have to put? Minus, isn't it? For elder means we will be putting plus symbol. So Gopal age is 8 years younger, therefore younger than Karnan. So Karnan age is x, so Gopal age is x minus 8 years. Now what is given in the question? Sum of their ages is 30. When we are adding the two persons' age, what we will be getting? We are getting 30. Now we are going to find Karnan's age and Gopal's age. But the question is asked only Karnan's age. So see here, sum of their ages. So Karnan's age is x, isn't it? So sum means we are putting what? Plus symbol, and Gopal age is x minus 8. So when we are adding this two, what we are getting? 30. Now you see here, x plus x minus 8 equal to 0. Now you see here, x plus x. So here 1x, here 1x. When we are adding x plus x, we will be getting 2x, x plus x. So here what is there? Here 1x and here 1x. When we are adding this two, we will be getting 2x, okay? So 2x minus 8 equal to 30. Now you see we are writing 2x as it is equal to 30. So minus 8 when it goes to that side, so it becomes what? It becomes plus, isn't it? So this we learnt it in the earlier classes. Therefore 2x equal to 30 plus 8. Now you see 30 plus 8 is what? 38. And here we are having 2x. Now 2 into x, isn't it? So 2 and x, we will be having what symbol? Multiplication symbol. Therefore x is equal to 38 divided by 2. X is equal to 38 divided by 2. Why we put divided? Since multiplication goes to the next side, it becomes what? Division. So see here, subtraction goes to next side, it becomes addition. Multiplication goes to next side, it becomes what? Division. Now we are going to divide 38 divided by 2. So see here, 1 2 is 2, isn't it? 2 and 1 will be remainder. Now we are dropping the 8 here. So here you see 9 2s are what? 18. Therefore x is equal to 19. So now let Karan's age be x years. Now Karan's age is what? 19 years. Karan's age is what? 19. And Gopal age is given to be x minus 8. X means what? 19. So 19 minus 8 equal to what? 11. And we can verify the answer. If Gopal is 8 years younger, so Gopal years is what? 19 minus 8 is 11 and Karnan's age is what? 19. 19 plus 11 equal to what? 30. The answer is Karnan's age equal to what? 19 years. So his age is what? 19. The next question, sixth question. the rectangles made of identical square blocks with varying lengths but having only two square blocks as with or given below. Now we are going to see the diagram. Now the diagram is given P, Q, R, S and T. Now this will be the length of the rectangle and this will be the breadth. So here this will be the length and this will be the breadth. Now we are going to find how many squares are there in the rectangle. First question, how many small squares are there in each of the rectangles P, Q, R and S? How many small squares are there in each of the rectangles P, Q, R and S? Number of squares in P, Q, R and S are 2, 8, 6 and 10. The second question, fill in the boxes. Rectangle P, Q, R, S and T is given. Number of small size squares along the breadth. Along the breadth, how many squares are there? Next you see number of squares along the length. How many squares are there? Total number of squares in rectangle. Now this are given in the question. For P, 2 squares are there along the breadth and number of squares along the length 1. So here Q2 and here 4 and this we are going to find out. Here for S we are going to find out and here the total number of squares in rectangle here. Also here we are going to find out. Now we can see the diagram. Now this will be the square. So here this will be the breadth of the rectangle. Now you see 1, 2. Here 2 squares are there along the breadth. Along the length 1 square. Therefore 2 into 1 will be 2. Okay. Here you see along the breadth we are having 1 and 2. Along the length how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore along the length 4 and along the breadth 2. Therefore 2 into 4 is 8. How this 8 comes means the area of the rectangle formula is the length into breadth, that is L into B. Therefore that is equal to 2 into 4 gives what? 8. So 2 4s are 8. There are 8 squares in the rectangle. Now you see along the breadth how many squares? 1, 2. Along the length 1, 2, 3. Therefore you see here 3 into 2. So along the length 3, along the breadth 2. 3 2s are 6. And here you see along the length 1 and 2. Along the breadth 1, 2. Along the length 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Therefore 5 into 2 equal to 10 squares we are having. So here 2 into 3 equal to 6. Okay. So here you see they have not given, just they have given 2 into x. Therefore 2 into x in general we will be writing 2x squares are there. So here in the R, number of small size squares is what? 2. Therefore, here you see 2 into 1. When we are multiplying 2 into 1, we have to write 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are what? 6. That is length into breadth. This will be the breadth and this will be the length. When we are multiplying, we will be getting. And here in S, we are having 2 and in along the length, we will be having 5 squares. Therefore, 2 5s are 10. Now, along the length breadth 2 and along the length x. Therefore, in general we are writing 2x, that is 2 into x. So, this will be the answer for the filling the boxes. Exercise 2.3, third question. Identify the value of the shapes and figures in the table given below and verify their addition horizontally and vertically. So, this is horizontal and this will be the vertical line. Okay. Now, you see here star 1, star 2, 3, 4 stars equal to 32. 4 stars are given and that is equal to 32. Therefore, what will be the value of 1 star? So, when we are dividing 32 by 4, we will be getting the first 1-star value, isn't it? So when we are dividing, see 32 divide by 4. So here 8 4s are 32, isn't it? 8 4s are 32. Therefore the star value, 1 star will be 8, isn't it? So 8 8 8 and here 8. Therefore when we are adding, we will be getting 32. Now you see this side 8 and this star value will be 8. So 8 plus 8 is what? 16, isn't it? But here given 30. So 30, when we are subtracting 60, what we will be getting? 30 minus 16. When we are subtracting here, we can put here 10, here 2, isn't it? So 10 minus 6 is 4 and 2 minus 1 is what? 1. 14. Now this smiley and this smiley, 14. This two smileys value is 14. Therefore, when we are dividing it by 2, isn't it? 14 divided by 2, what we will be getting? 7. 7 2s are 14. Therefore, here one smiley symbol number is what? 7. Here also 7, isn't it? Now when we are adding these things, we will be getting 30. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 7 is 22 plus 8 is 30. Now you see here 8 and here we are having 8, isn't it? Star value is 8. Now we are going to find the triangle shape. So 8 plus 8 is what? 16. But here what is given? 36. So when we are subtracting 16, 36 minus 16 equal to what? 20, isn't it? When we are subtracting 20. Now one triangle stand, two triangle 20. So one triangle is what? Value is 10, isn't it? So 10. 10. Now you add 10 plus 10, 20 plus 8, 28 plus 8 equal to what? 36. Now we know the values. So star symbol 8 and the triangle is what? 10 and the smiley 7. Here also 7. Now when we are adding all these things, 8 plus 10, 18 plus 7, 19, 20, 25 plus 7 equal to 32, isn't it? So the value is what? 32 here. Now you see the star value is 8, the smiley value 7, the triangle will be 10 and the smiley will be 7. So when we are adding, 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 10 is 25, 25 plus 7 is what? 32, isn't it? 32. Now if we are adding in the vertical line, see 7 plus 8 15, 15 plus 10 25, 25 plus 7 is also 32, isn't it? Equal to 32. Now 7 plus 10 17, 17 plus 7 24, 24 plus 10 34, 34. Here 8 plus 10 18, 18 plus 7 25, 25 plus 7 32. So now when we are adding these things and adding this, we have to get the same answer. So 32 plus 32 plus 34 plus 32. So here when we are adding this, what we will be getting? 32, 32, 34, 32. So here adding, so 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, isn't it? So we are putting 1 here. Now 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10 plus 3 13. The answer is 130. Now we are going to add this 4 numbers. So here when we are adding these 4 numbers, what we are getting? See 0 plus 6 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10. So adding here, then 1 if you are putting here, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 3 30. Therefore the answer, so when you are adding this, we will be getting 130, and when we are adding it in the vertical, we are getting what? Sorry, horizontal, we are getting 130, and if you are adding vertically, we will be getting 130. Recall 11 minus 5 equal to dash. So it is very easy. 11 minus 5 is what? 6, isn't it? Next, the number of days in W weeks is a dash. Number of days in W weeks. How many days are there in a week? So here 30 plus W, 30W, 7 plus W, 7W. So here week has 7 days, isn't it? A week has 7 days, and number of days in W weeks, we don't know how many weeks, we don't know. Therefore, we are multiplying 7 into W, that is 7W. What will be the answer? 7W. Okay, students, thank you.